In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Outlook desktop icon to your Windows 10 desktop or taskbar. If you want quicker access to your email, putting Outlook on your desktop or pinning it to the taskbar makes a big difference. We'll start with creating a desktop shortcut, then we'll pin Outlook to the taskbar. I'll point out small variations you might see so everything goes smoothly on your PC. First, let's place Outlook on the desktop. Open the Start menu and locate Outlook. Depending on your setup, you might see it listed as Outlook or Outlook Classic. Either is fine. If you don't see it right away in the alphabetical list, start typing Outlook to bring it up. Now, right-click the Outlook result. On some systems, you'll see a More option, hover over that and choose Open File Location. On others, you may see Open File Location right away without the More menu. Select it, and Windows will open the folder that contains the Outlook shortcut. With that folder open, look for the Outlook shortcut inside it. Right-click that shortcut, then choose Send to, and select Desktop Create Shortcut. That tells Windows to create a new shortcut on your desktop, leaving the original intact. When you return to the desktop, you'll see the Outlook icon with a small shortcut arrow. That's your quick launcher. If you ever change your mind later, deleting this desktop shortcut won't uninstall Outlook, it only removes the shortcut. Next, let's pin Outlook to the taskbar so it's always one click away at the bottom of your screen. Open the Start menu again and find Outlook or Outlook Classic the same way as before. Right-click the Outlook app in the results, then select Pin to Taskbar. You'll notice the Outlook icon appear on your taskbar immediately. From now on, you can open Outlook directly from there, and it will stay pinned even after you close the app. A couple of quick tips to keep things clear. The wording you see More, Open File Location, and Pin to Taskbar can vary slightly based on Windows updates, but the options work the same way. If you have multiple versions of Outlook installed, like the new Outlook and the Classic version, choose the one you use every day so your shortcut and pinned icon open the right app. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.